Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be going over just a real simple, easy, low carb tortilla recipe. I've ordered these 1 carb tortillas from Mr Tortilla. These are the multi-grain ones. The pico de gallo are better, but I've eaten them all, so all I got left is the multi-grain. But they work just fine. But I'm sure that if I had pico de gallo, the flavor would be even better. But these are 1 net carb. And it's a pretty simple recipe. We're going to take some extra virgin olive oil and a paper plate here. And we're just going to put some on the plate. And then we're going to take our tortilla and just kind of get it nice and covered with the oil. And then we're going to take some salt. And we're just going to salt it. Whoop, a little too much. Salt it down. And then we're going to take our pizza cutter and cut it into fourths. These are pretty small tortillas. You could do this with any other kind of tortilla. Any kind of low carb tortilla that you want to do. And then we're going to put it in our air fryer here. They can overlap. That's fine. Doesn't matter. So we'll fit some of those in there, fit as many as we can in there, and we'll just keep repeating the process here. Alright, so there we go. We got enough piled in there to all that we can. And so we're just going to set our air fryer to 300, and then we're going to put them in there for about 10 minutes. And then we'll check back, see what we got. Alright, so our 10 minutes is up. Let's see what we got. All done. Nice and crunchy. Some of them are a little too salty. But it's perfect. Just like a regular tortilla chip. It's a great low carb option. Just eat it with some good salsa. If you guys are liking this content, feel free to subscribe, hit the bell notifications. And until next time guys, thanks for watching.